Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty. Today I'm at my open house of 831 North Fort Thomas Avenue here in beautiful Fort Thomas, Kentucky. This home is 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, unfinished basement, hardwood throughout. It's got a beautifully redone primary bathroom. Nearly 2,500 square feet. You have to see this place. It is located just around the corner here from Highlands High School and just up the road from all the grocery, shopping, and restaurants in the Newport Pavilion and the interstate. If you'd like a private showing, please reach out to me, 859-393-4879. Or you can reach me at kennys@nkyhomes.com. I'll be here from noon until 2. I hope to see you.